By looking at the engine, I want to set it. I can return timing as it is. So this one goes up to here, up to this level. This one here is, you put it, it's up to this level. You see this level here. That's where the piston is. Piston is on top for this one. And this one here, piston is also on top. This one here, piston is on top. But this one, the piston is down, right straight down. Down, 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 down. Now if you look very careful, this one here, it's written 1, this one, and it points there. This one is written, this one is written 4, 2, 1, 5. What? It was supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4, but there's 5. Okay, it's actually, there's a 4 here. 4. And here it's a 1. 1 is facing another 1 here. 1 is facing another 1. Then 3 here, and 4 here. That's how it is. Then 2 here. Then, I don't know, this look like a 3. Then it's a 5 here. 5 and a 5. 5 and 5 is facing. 5 and 5 is facing each other. So the arrows are facing to me, and the arrow is facing to me. Now what is important here is this thing here. And if you look at this one, yeah, it's sitting here. So this cam, it's actually like, I can put a finger there, and this cam here is looking right straight like it's up, but we'll come to the bottom of it. And what's important again is these two cams are facing down. This one is right straight facing this one, like this, right straight facing this one. And these ones, they are even, I think they're compressing. These are compressing already. Now, this one, so this is the intake cam, and what do I see here on the intake cam? I see this thing here, and this number here, and the other part. So I see the 2 dots following like this. And if I follow very well, if you look at the intake cam, it's like this. So these dots are following here, and this one is following these bolts here. The bolts, they're following these bolts here. So you go to the bolts to the end. Now if I observe from the other side here, observe from the other side, that's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing like this. I'm seeing like this. Remember, the setting I showed you should keep the same. So I can put this setting here, like here, and this here. Then I come there. I come here on the exhaust cam. What do I see? The exhaust cam, I see this one here is facing up, and this are right facing up at number 1. The second cam, this one here, are right facing up. I think you can set this one right facing up here. Right facing up, these two. And those ones are facing the opposite side. They're facing here. So these are facing right straight up. Now, if you set that like that, it's not a problem. Then you will come here. We found this one. Yeah. This one here, like here. So, like that. And I'm checking what is there. So this is the exhaust cam. So I'm going to strip this car like that. Thank you.